Whether you're part of a fast moving sales team or running your own growing business, managing leads, deals, and follow ups efficiently is non negotiable. In a landscape filled with bloated and overly complex CRM systems, Claritysoft positions itself as a refreshingly simple yet powerful solution designed for sales focused organizations. Claritysoft CRM was built with usability and flexibility in mind. It provides a centralized space to manage your sales pipeline, customer relationships, and daily workflow without requiring hours of training or tech support. You get enterprise level functionality with the accessibility and clarity that smaller teams need. In this video, we'll walk through what makes Claritysoft stand out, its most impactful features, and why it's such a practical option for businesses focused on results rather than complexity. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the unified contact and account management. At the heart of Claritysoft CRM is a clean, intuitive contact management system. You can easily create and manage contacts, associate them with accounts, link activities, and log call notes, emails, and documents. The interface keeps everything accessible, grouped by company, opportunity, or role in the sales process. Instead of jumping between platforms or manually piecing together contact history, Claritysoft puts everything in one place. You get a complete, real time view of every relationship, which is essential for sales reps who need context quickly and clearly. Another key feature is the opportunity and sales pipeline management. Claritysoft's opportunity module lets you create custom deal stages and track every lead as it moves through your sales cycle. You can assign reps, forecast revenue, track product codes, and monitor deal status in a visual Kanban style layout, or switch to a list view depending on your preference. You gain full visibility into your pipeline and know exactly where to focus your time. Whether you're reviewing team performance or planning your week, you'll know which deals are close to closing and which need a nudge without any guesswork. Another key feature is the email marketing and campaign management. Unlike many CRM tools that require external platforms for outreach, Claritysoft has built-in email marketing capabilities. You can design and send email blasts using templates, add personalization tokens, schedule follow-ups, and monitor engagement with open and click tracking, all from within the CRM. You save time and money by keeping campaigns and CRM data in one place. Marketing and sales can align more easily, and your outreach stays personal, targeted, and measurable. Another key feature is the task, calendar, and daily workflow tools. Claritysoft lets you set reminders, log calls and meetings, and organize follow-ups in a shared calendar. You can assign tasks to team members or yourself, and each activity links directly to the relevant contact or opportunity. Everything is designed to help you move through your day without dropping the ball. It acts as your personal assistant, keeping your day organized, your tasks visible, and your deadlines in check. Whether you're in the office or on the go, you stay productive and accountable. Another key feature is the custom reporting and dashboards. Claritysoft includes customizable dashboards that display real-time reports on lead conversion, sales rep activity, pipeline velocity, and overall performance. You can drill down by rep, product, or date range, and export data for meetings or presentations. You're not just collecting data, you're using it. These reports help managers coach better, reps track progress, and leadership make decisions based on facts, not assumptions. So, why is Claritysoft CRM a great choice? Claritysoft CRM is ideal for organizations that need a reliable, straightforward platform that doesn't require constant IT support or steep onboarding. Its interface is clean and customizable. Whether you're handling hundreds of leads or managing a few strategic accounts, Claritysoft adapts to your workflow rather than forcing you to adapt to it. In 2025, it continues to add features that matter most to sales teams: improved mobile functionality, integration with Outlook, Office 365, and QuickBooks, quoting tools, and enhanced mobile offline support. So, if your business is looking for a CRM that streamlines sales, increases team adoption, and improves visibility without overcomplicating things, Claritysoft makes a strong case. So, Claritysoft CRM brings clarity to your customer and sales data without the distractions or barriers that can make larger CRM platforms frustrating to use. It helps your team focus on closing deals, building relationships, and working smarter with tools they actually enjoy using. From a smooth contact workflow to insightful reporting, everything in Claritysoft is designed to support a productive, revenue driven environment. So, whether you're a team of 2 or 20, Claritysoft gives you the power of a full featured CRM minus the usual friction. So, if you want to streamline operations and give your team the tools to thrive, Claritysoft CRM is definitely worth considering in 2025. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.